Greetings, fellow traders. Mullen here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, October the 19th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. It's brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we are at the market here today. So SPX, guys, woo! Look at how it just took out that bearish engulfing candle almost completely, right? Almost completely invalidated it. So we'll see how that goes here on the monthly chart again. We're still green. Weekly chart closed above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prior week candles right here, and this one goes over 1, 2, 3. So pretty amazing stuff right here as we get really close to all-time highs. And again, it doesn't really surprise us if we keep on gapping up and pushing. Now the volume's really not there. If you go to SPY, you know, it's kind of, that's why the trend box keeps stretching up, because we can't confirm with volume. It doesn't mean that we're not bullish. It just means that we're not shifting trends. So what it also means is that overall, right, this still could be part of a corrective wave, right? And I've been drawing it for you guys a lot. Wave 1, A, B, C, right? So we've got those type of those moves there. Oh, let me grab this right here. Let me just add that. There we go. So so we could be in still a corrective move, right, while we're still in the trend box. Once we break above it, right, we assume that the trend has shifted back up and we're in an uptrend. It doesn't mean we're not bullish, right? I'm just saying, right, because we've been riding this wave up like crazy, right? A 1, 2, 1, 2, and this wave 3 keeps on moving. We're assuming at some point here this wave 3 is going to kind of calm down a little bit, and we are going to see a wave 4 pullback. So if it's done here today, we could see an ABC down, and then a wave 5 up could possibly take us up to all-time highs. It wouldn't surprise me, right? So let's take a look at the S&P futures and see how we're doing here. We're up about 37 points here today. So again, really nice move. Big pop into the close. Strong move. To look at that. It took forever for them to get out of this our resistance zone. And look at that, just above here. I mean, they could actually hit all-time highs tonight if they wanted to, but we'll see how it goes. So maybe Powell's trying to get there before they catch up to him, right? So he's gonna be like the Nikola CEO. Nikola. Anyway, so MES, guys, again, same thing, pushing its way up here. Held the geometric line all day today, so kind of doing its thing. Q's finally started to get a little bit of a move here. Nice push into the close. IWM, the small caps with that big reversal today, then kind of back under the geometric line that we drew in the bubble report today, this morning. XLF, again, nice push in the close here as the banks, supporting the market here. VIX down to 15. Goodness gracious, so getting really weak right there. Apple, this was the big name today, guys, at the open. This is one that we pointed out. We showed you guys. Got really tight and sideways here for the rest of the day, but this gave us a nice move here today. Remember, guys, that 148 strike was key, right? And once we pushed above that, we got to the our next target level, which is the prior inside day high, so just below the 149 area. So pretty cool stuff there. And then, of course, we got so Tesla, guys, gave us a bit of a wedge right here. It started working its way up a lot more, and then boom, zone to zone again. So zone to zone this morning, zone to zone here, zone to zone here. So we just were playing zone tag here, zone pong with Tesla today. So pretty cool stuff there. A couple of big names here coming into today, right? So we've got the Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin has been pretty epic here recently, right? We called it up to 60,000 in the bubble report. Bull flag breakout today, inside day up, so really nice move there. And then we've got the new BITO, the BITO. It's pretty strong candle here today as the new Bitcoin ETF launches. We've got FCell on the radar, getting hangry today with an inside doji day. So let's see if that works. Big volume on an inside day, guys. That thing could be building up a lot of energy. You got Macy's with an inside day, which is a little wah type thing. So see if it takes the inside day down going in tomorrow. Chewy, we pointed this out a little bit earlier here, looking strong off of the ADMA breakout yesterday. We got Tilray. With the big push right here again. Risk reward's a little bit tricky, but looks like it wants the 50-day moving average. Again, another name that you could look at that actually looks a little bit better in the pot sector is CGC. Huge volume today, and this also has its 50-day moving average. It's more of a one-to-one risk reward, which looks a little bit better. But Tilray had some epic moves and some nice call sweeps on it today too. FSLY with a huge breakout today. Remember, this is the one that kind of crashed the internet, not too long ago. Well, now it's starting to kind of come out of its shell again. So big volume right here. That looks pretty good. Things get really strong. Look at that 200-day moving average just above it. So it could be interesting there. BABA with a big day today. I don't know. Would they spot jack Ma today? So again, they gapped over the inside day high and pushed into the daily cloud for a nice move. Wish ended up having a nice candle today. A little bit of an upper shadow there, but decent volume there. Netflix earnings after hours. Bull flag going into today. How's it looking? choppy, sloppy, right? But this is why, right? It's tough to pick direction, right? But if you have premium selling, right, some things can be good. But you got to make sure you select your strikes right. And even if you select the strikes right, you could have a move like Facebook. Just always know that it could really take you out, right? But Netflix wasn't expecting too much to move. About a 40-point move either way. We kind of hit 40 points up, 40 points down, and just kind of chopping around. So that's good on either side of the premium selling side. And one more, we've got United Airlines reporting tonight, I believe. And then conference call tomorrow. So let's see how this goes. But the airline sector has just been rough, right? Nice, nasty close here below 50-day moving average today. So let's see how that goes for these guys. So anyway, good stuff. So bring your chart requests tonight to the YouTube live stream at 7:30. And till then, guys, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.